My passion for bread pudding started when I was just a young girl. My dad would take the family to the old country buffet after church for dinner. They made this amazing bread pudding, and I found myself coming back there just for that taste. I decided to try my hand at it, but not your humdrum bread pudding. So I started experimenting with different tastes and textures, and after some time I perfected a gourmet banana bread pudding, which was also my late son Vaughn's favorite. He was my biggest cheerleader, along with his daughter Angel. In fact, my son and granddaughter inspired the name Lovells 31 and its sweetly crafted logo. So I poured my passion into unique flavors like chocolate and maple bacon gourmet bread pudding. Only from Lovells 31, and it's all coming soon to a store near you.
Come and get it!